Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a section smaller on the Squarespace. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Square site. Once you are in, you have to go on the template edit. And here you have to scroll down and click on the edit section. Now here you have the height, in which you have three options. One is small, medium and large. If you click on the small, your section will be small, but if you click on the medium or large, your section will be medium or the large. It's totally depend on you which section you want. If you want the small height, you have to click on the small and click on the done and save it. So yeah, this is how you can make a section smaller on the Squarespace.